After 60, many people notice their vision changing slowly. Mornings begin with dry, scratchy eyes that feel tired immediately. Menus look fuzzy and small print becomes harder to read clearly. Night driving becomes stressful because headlights create strong glare. Most people think these changes are simply normal aging of the eyes. But your eyes become more vulnerable after 60 for several reasons. Dry eyes increase because tear glands produce less protective moisture. Cataracts form faster as proteins in the lens begin sticking together. The macula thins and loses pigment, which weakens central sharp vision. Some seniors even experience sudden blurry vision in one single eye. Here is the surprising part that most people are never told clearly. Much of the damage to aging eyes does not happen during the daytime. It happens quietly at night while you sleep without any warning. During sleep, the retina often receives less oxygen than it truly needs. Light-sensitive cells may begin breaking down from oxidative stress. Inflammation slowly accumulates in the retina and weakens sharp vision. Eye drops, new glasses, or surgery often treat symptoms, not root causes. The deeper driver is nighttime oxidative stress inside retinal tissue. But there is encouraging news many seniors have never heard before. Certain fruits eaten before sleep can truly support retinal repair. These fruits help regenerate photoreceptor cells damaged by light. They also improve retinal blood flow, which supports oxygen delivery. Some can slow both macular degeneration and early cataract changes. And number one fruit where most people discard the best part may delay cataracts by up to 40% according to research. This is why understanding nighttime fruit choices matters so much. When you choose the right fruit at the right time before sleep, you give your eyes a unique opportunity to heal while you rest. Before we continue, I want to hear from you today. Tell me which eye problem you are struggling with right now. Is it morning dryness, blurry reading, or glare when driving? Share your experience in the comments so I can guide you. I read every message because your stories help other seniors. Now, an important reminder before we begin this countdown. This video does not replace medical care or eye examinations. If you notice sudden vision loss or rapid vision changes, please consult your eye doctor as soon as possible for evaluation. Early attention can protect your long-term vision and independence. In this lesson, we will explore a gentle, helpful nighttime habit. Certain fruits eaten before sleep can support retinal repair naturally. They can improve blood flow, reduce oxidative stress, and protect vision. And when used correctly, they can help your eyes recover overnight. So, let's begin this countdown of 7 nighttime fruits for healthy eyes. Each fruit targets a different cause of blurry vision after 60. And together, they support clearer mornings and stronger long-term vision. Number 7. Golden kiwi. Golden kiwi is a powerful nighttime fruit for aging eyes. Many seniors wake with dryness, glare, and blurry morning vision. A major cause is oxidative stress building inside the retina overnight. This stress weakens photoreceptor cells and reduces visual clarity. Golden kiwi helps calm this oxidative stress while you sleep. It contains high lutein and zeaxanthin for retinal protection. These nutrients act like internal sunglasses inside your eyes. They filter blue light and support sharper, comfortable night vision. Golden kiwi also supports serotonin, which aids nighttime repair. Research shows seniors eating 2 golden kiwis before bed experienced better morning sharpness and less redness or dryness. To use it, eat 2 golden kiwis about 1 hour before sleep. Choose golden varieties because they have more eye protective nutrients. They are gentler for nighttime digestion and support deeper repair. Avoid peeling too much because the layer near the skin is valuable. This thin layer contains caffeic acid, a strong antioxidant for eyes. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the best fruits for nighttime eye hydration. Many seniors wake with stiff eyes, dryness, and early morning blur. A common reason is low hydration and weak circulation during sleep. Watermelon helps restore the moisture your eyes need overnight. It is over 90% water, which supports steady tear production. It also contains lycopene, which protects retinal cells from damage. People who eat watermelon often show higher lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients nourish the retina and support clearer morning vision. Watermelon can also boost nitric oxide and improve circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your eyes. This helps reduce dryness, glare, and sluggish morning adjustment. To use it, take 1 to 2 cups of seedless watermelon before bed. Eat it about 30 minutes before sleep for gentler digestion. Do not add salt, because sodium can raise nighttime eye pressure. For extra benefits, enjoy a bit of the white rind for citrulline. Citrulline supports blood vessels and nighttime retinal blood flow. Number 5. Black currants. Black currants are one of the strongest fruits for nighttime eye repair. Many seniors notice halos around lights, poor dark adaptation, and eye strain. These problems often begin with reduced blood flow inside the aging retina. When tiny vessels become irritated, circulation slows and vision declines. Black currants support this exact issue with impressive effectiveness. They contain very high levels of anthocyanins, which give the deep purple color. Anthocyanins calm microinflammation in retinal tissue during the night. They also help widen small capillaries and improve oxygen delivery to the eyes. This improves night clarity, reduces glare, and supports morning comfort. Black currants also support rhodopsin, the pigment that helps you see in low light. When rhodopsin weakens, your eyes struggle to adjust after darkness. Driving at night becomes stressful, and dim rooms feel uncomfortable. Black currants help regenerate this pigment and speed up dark adaptation. Research on black currants is especially strong for older adults. Studies in glaucoma and normal tension glaucoma showed powerful results. 50 milligrams of black currant anthocyanins increased retinal blood flow. Participants maintained a more stable visual field and stronger contrast. They also adapted to darkness faster and reported less night glare. If fresh berries are unavailable, you can use a simple evening extract. Choose one with around 50 milligrams of black currant anthocyanins. Take it about 1 hour before sleep for overnight retinal support. If using fresh berries, a small handful works well as a nighttime snack. For better absorption, pair black currants with a little healthy fat. A few walnuts or a bit of flaxseed oil can increase uptake greatly. Vitamin C-rich foods may also help strengthen anthocyanin absorption. Used consistently, black currants support clearer night vision, more stable morning focus, and healthier circulation in aging eyes. Number 4. Wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are one of the most protective fruits for aging eyes. Many seniors struggle with fine detail, weak night vision, and morning blur. These problems often begin with oxidative stress, damaging photoreceptor cells. Photoreceptors are the tiny light-sensing cells that give sharp, clear vision. When they break down, your eyes lose precision and struggle in dim light. Wild blueberries target this problem with exceptional antioxidant power. They contain pterostilbene, a nutrient similar to resveratrol but better absorbed. Pterostilbene can cross the blood-retinal barrier and reach light-sensitive cells. Once inside, it helps repair oxidative damage that builds up during aging. This supports sharper visual detail and steadier vision in low light. Research in older adults shows very encouraging results. People who ate wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks experienced a 32% improvement in visual acuity. They also squinted less at night and reported clearer contrast. The type of blueberry is important for best results. Use wild blueberries because they are smaller, darker, and richer in antioxidants. They contain almost double the protective compounds of large cultivated berries. Use about 1/3 cup of wild blueberries 45 minutes before bed. Avoid mixing them with dairy because milk proteins block anthocyanin absorption. This reduces the benefits and slows repair inside the retina. You can freeze them and let them thaw before eating to improve absorption. Thawing breaks down cell walls and helps release more antioxidants. Used consistently, wild blueberries support healthier photoreceptors. sharper morning vision, and easier adaptation to dim lighting. Number 3. Red dragon fruit. Red dragon fruit is a powerful support for nighttime circulation in the eyes. Many seniors feel tired eyes, blurry edges, and weak peripheral vision. These problems often start when the retina does not receive enough oxygen overnight. This nighttime hypoxia makes the eyes feel strained and slow in the morning. Red dragon fruit helps improve this condition through natural nitric oxide support. It contains betalains, which encourage blood vessels to widen gently and safely. When tiny eye capillaries open, more oxygen and nutrients reach the retina. This helps the eyes recover during sleep and reduces morning discomfort. Studies using red dragon fruit extract show significant improvements. Adults who consumed it for 6 weeks had better oxygen levels in the retina. They showed about a 26% increase in ocular blood oxygen. Their contrast sensitivity improved and visual fields became more stable. For best results, choose the red flesh variety rather than the white one. The deeper magenta color reflects higher betalain content and stronger effects. Eat about half a red dragon fruit roughly 1 hour before going to bed. Chew the seeds because they contain omega-3 and magnesium. These nutrients support retinal nerves and help maintain visual clarity. Red dragon fruit is gentle, easy to digest, and comfortable at night. Used regularly, it supports better circulation, clearer contrast, and a more relaxed feeling in the eyes when you wake up. Number 2. Goji berries. Goji berries are one of the most important fruits for protecting central vision after 60. Many seniors begin to notice trouble with reading labels, recognizing faces, or seeing small details. This happens because the macula in the center of the retina slowly becomes thinner with age. When the macula weakens, even simple tasks like reading messages or following road signs feel harder. Goji berries support this specific area of the eye with remarkable effectiveness. They contain one of the highest natural concentrations of zeaxanthin in the world. Zeaxanthin is a key pigment that protects the central retina from oxidative damage. It filters harmful light, shields the macula, and keeps visual clarity stable. While lutein protects the outer retina, zeaxanthin focuses directly on the center. This makes goji berries especially valuable for preventing age-related macular decline. Research on adults between 60 and 80 shows impressive results. Participants who consumed goji berries 5 times per week for 90 days experienced a significant increase in macular pigment density. This pigment acts like natural internal protection for the retina. During the study, no further macular thinning occurred among participants. Many reported clearer reading vision and better comfort in bright light. To support your eyes at night, soak 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water. Let them soften for about 10 minutes before eating for easier absorption. Enjoy them around 30 minutes before going to sleep for best results. For a stronger boost, pair goji berries with a small square of dark chocolate. Use chocolate that contains at least 85% cocoa. Cocoa flavonoids help improve the transport and absorption of zeaxanthin. When used consistently, goji berries support sharper central vision, better reading, comfort, more stable contrast, and healthier macular function. They are gentle, easy to prepare, and an excellent evening fruit for long-term eye protection. Number 1. Papaya. Papaya is one of the most powerful nighttime fruits for preventing age-related eye decline. Many seniors experience cloudy vision, glare, and slow morning adjustment. These symptoms often come from glycation, which is a hidden process inside the eyes. Glycation happens when excess sugar binds to proteins in the lens and retina. This creates sticky compounds that cloud the lens and weaken retinal tissue. Papaya helps reduce this process and supports clearer vision over time. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down harmful glycation products. This helps protect the lens from early clouding and reduces the formation of cataract changes. Papaya is also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, along with natural folate. These nutrients strengthen the tear film, protect retinal cells, and support more stable focus when reading or driving. Research on older adults shows encouraging improvements. People who ate papaya at night experienced lower glycation markers. They also produced stronger tear volume and felt less morning dryness. Within about 6 weeks, many reported sharper contrast and less cloudiness. To use papaya, effectively eat 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes before sleep. Have it about 1 hour before bed to support nighttime repair. Choose room temperature papaya because cold fruit slows enzyme activity. Fresh ripe papaya works best because the active compounds remain strong. Avoid pairing papaya with dairy because milk proteins block the action of papain. This reduces the benefits and slows the breakdown of glycation products. For a helpful boost, squeeze a little fresh lime juice over the papaya. The vitamin C helps increase absorption of vitamin A and supports the retina. Used consistently, papaya supports clearer morning vision, better comfort, less haze, and a lower risk of long-term eye changes. This is why papaya earns the #1 place for nighttime eye support. To help your eyes repair during sleep, the timing and the method matter greatly. These fruits are powerful, but they work best when used with simple habits. Here are 5 gentle rules that help seniors get stronger results each night. Rule 1. Do not mix these fruits with calcium-heavy foods. Milk, yogurt, and fortified cereals can reduce the absorption of eye nutrients. Calcium interferes with lutein, zeaxanthin, and many nighttime antioxidants. Wait about 90 minutes between dairy and your eye-supporting fruit snack. This gives your body time to process calcium before absorbing key nutrients. Rule 2. Add a small amount of healthy fat to boost absorption. Many nutrients that protect the eyes are fat-soluble. A few walnuts, a spoon of flaxseed oil, or a little chia can help. Healthy fats increase absorption by more than 50% in many seniors. This small step makes your nighttime repair much more effective. Rule 3. Wash fruits gently rather than scrubbing aggressively. Long scrubbing or high-pressure rinsing can remove surface antioxidants. These antioxidants live near the skin and help protect the retina overnight. Rinse under cool water just before eating, then pat the fruit lightly to dry. Rule 4. Use fruits at room temperature for better enzyme activity. Cold fruit slows natural enzymes like papain inside papaya. These enzymes support tear film strength and help reduce glycation. Take fruits out of the refrigerator 30 to 60 minutes before eating. Rule 5. Eat these fruits 60 to 90 minutes before going to sleep. Too early and the nutrients may be cleared before nighttime repair begins. Too late and digestion may interrupt deep sleep cycles. The 1 hour to 90-minute window is ideal for most seniors. This helps nutrients reach the retina exactly when repair is most active. Used together, these rules help your fruits work longer, stronger, and more naturally. Your eyes receive steady nutrients, better oxygen, and better protection overnight. Blurry vision is not simply a normal part of aging. Many changes come from nighttime oxidative stress that harms your retina. Glycation slowly clouds the lens and weakens the sharp center of your vision. Poor circulation during sleep reduces oxygen and slows natural eye repair. The right fruits taken at the right time can support this nightly restoration. They help your photoreceptor cells recover after long days of light exposure. They reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and protect against oxidative damage. They also support clearer contrast, fewer morning symptoms, and better comfort. These gentle habits can help slow macular degeneration and cataract progression. They can also support more stable reading vision and stronger confidence when driving. Clearer vision means better independence, more safety, and more joy each day. Now I want to hear from you before we finish. If your vision improved by 30%, what would you look at first? Tell me your answer below because your story can inspire someone else. Remember to like this video, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe for more weekly lessons designed to protect your long-term vision. I am Dr. Sam. Stay steady, stay strong, and remember your vision carries your freedom.